Now we're going to pull the glove box down. You're going to open the glove box, and you're going to see there's a little plastic tab right here. It goes up into this piston back here, and it helps let the door down at a certain speed. So, see that, how it goes nice and slow instead of just falling? It's because that cable's attached. There's two ways. You can either pull the string off of it right here and then fight, or you can just try to grab the whole tab with your plastic tool. Slide it out of the hole right there and let it roll back up in there. You'll be able to reach it when you go put everything back. And then you take and fold this corner down. And then you take and fold this corner down. And then those tabs basically slide right off of there. Like so. And then you can get to your cabin air filter right behind this thing. If you need to change your cabin air, which I'm doing a dash removal, but I'll show you real quick. You can take your hand from this outside hole. See over here where my hand's at? And you can kind of reach back in there and grab that tab. I'm making a video. Kind of tricky to get back in there sometimes. Sometimes it'll cooperate and sometimes it won't. Sometimes you'll have to grab something and like try to grab the little tab. There it goes. Pull it down. And then there's your cabin air right there. That's how you change your cabin air filter. And I think it's the same for most of them. 02 to 2012, but somewhere in there may be something different, but for the most part I think like 08 and beyond for sure. 08, 09, 10, 11 and 12. That's how you change the cabin air in these.